Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to install Amazon. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now go ahead and type in Amazon. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Amazon Shopping. Tap on Install. Since the installation process largely depends on your internet speed, it may take some time. Once the installation process is over, tap on Open. And that's it. Now you have successfully installed Amazon. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.